Hi, welcome back to Francois Maths class. Today we are going to look at elective maths, Wassce School Candidate 2022, May June. Question number 9. Sequence and series. That's the question. The question is A. The second term of a geometric progression GP is equal to 8 is equal to the 8th term of an arithmetic progression AP. The first term, common difference, and common ratio are all equal and non-zero. Find the sum of the first 5 terms of the geometric progression. B. The sum of the first 11 terms of a linear sequence AP is 165. If the third term is 9, find the value of the A. Common difference, B. First term. So let's go straight to the first question, A. So with our A, we need to get the various values or the various terms that we need to work with. It says the second term of a geometric progression. And we know the geometric progression, the second term, which is U2, is equal to AR. Is equal to AR. Because when you have the general term UN is equal to ARN minus 1. So U2 is equal to AR. 2 minus 1 will be 1. So AR. Then we are saying that it's equal to the 8th term of an arithmetic progression. So of an arithmetic progression, the 8th term, we know that number of terms is UN is equal to A plus N minus 1 D. So our 8th term, U8, will be A plus 7, 8 minus 1 is 7, so 7D. So we are saying that our AR is equal to A plus 7D. But from the question, it's saying that the first term, which is A, the common difference, which is D, and the common ratio, which is R, are all equal. They are all equal. So if they are all equal, it means that our A is equal to R and it's also equal to D. So we can say that our A is equal to R equal to D. So wherever you see R, you can put A there. Wherever you see D, you can put A there. So we substitute it into this equation. So A multiplying another A, because our R is A, is equal to A plus 7, and our D is also A. So you can also put A there. So with this, we have A squared is equal to A plus 7A will give us 8A. So we bring this one here. So our A squared minus 8A is equal to 0. So with this, we want to find it. So we can factorize A out, A minus 8 is equal to 0. So we have A equal to 0, then A minus 8 is equal to 0. So we have A is equal to 0 and A is equal to 8. But from the question, you see A is, they are all non-zero. So it means we can never have A to be 0. So therefore, our A is 8. So if A is 8, it means our D will also be 8 and our R will also be what? 8. Now from the question, it says that find the sum of the first 5 terms. Find the sum of the first 5 terms of the GP. So we know the first 5 terms of GP, that's for GP, the formula is Sn is equal to A into bracket. Since our ratio is more than 1, we are going to have R to the power n minus 1 all over R minus 1. R minus 1. So our A is 8. So 8, so S 5 is equal to 8 into bracket. Our R is 8 to the power 5 minus 1 all over 8 minus 1. So let's use our calculator. So we have 8 into bracket 8 to the power 5 A to the power 5 is 3, 2, 7, 6, 8 minus 1 all over. This is 1, sorry, it shouldn't be 7, it's 1. So 8 over 7. So with this, we can have, let's go straight. 8 into bracket. This one minus 1, so 8. That's 3, 2, 7, 6, 7, because minus 1. So we have 2, 6, 2, 1, 3, 6 over 7. So we divide by 7. We have S5 will give us 3, 7, 4, 4, 8. So the sum of the first 5 terms of the GP is 3, 7, 4, 4, 8. 37,448. And that brings us to the solution of the first part, which is A. Now let's go and look at the second part, that's the B. Let's look at the B. So with the B, let me clean, since we are done with this part, I can clean and find B. So with the B, we are saying that the sum of the first 11 terms of a linear sequence. So let's look at this formula for the sum of a linear sequence. Sn is equal to n over 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 d. So we are saying that the sum of the first 11 terms, so S11. So when n is 11, it means that our Sn will be 165. So it means 165 is equal to 11 on 2 into bracket 2a plus our n is 11. So 11 minus 1, so 10d. Okay, so we can multiply 2 by the LCM, and our LCM 2 multiply 165 is equal to 11 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1, so 10d, because the 2 will cancel this one out. So this one, you are going to get 1, 330, you get 330 is equal to 11, 2a plus 10d. So we divide both sides by 11. So we divide here by 11, here by 11. So 11 going here, you have 30 is equal to 2a plus 10d. But you realize this one, 2 can go into both all of them. So here by 2, here by 2, here by 2, we can have 15. Or let's say we have a plus 5d is equal to 15. And that's our first equation, equation 1. So having this, we need to look at, when you continue, it says that if the third term, and we know the number of terms, un is equal to a plus n minus 1d. So our third term, u3 gives us a plus 2d. It's 9, equation 2. So with this, we can find our a and d. So equation 1 minus equation 2. A minus a is 0, is gone. 5d minus 2d will give us 3d is equal to 9, 15 minus 9. We have 6. Divide here by 3, here by 3. So our d will give us 2. Having gotten d to be 2, we can substitute it into equation 1 to find our a. So our a, which is the common difference, our a is equal to 2. Then when it comes to b, we substitute it. So substitute d equals to 2 into equation 1. So we have a plus 5 times 2 is equal to 15. So a plus 10 is equal to 15. So a 15 minus 10 A will give us 5. So therefore, our first term is equal to 5. And common difference is equal to 2. So first term is equal to 5, and our common difference is equal to 2. And this brings us to the end of today's lesson. Continue to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Francois Maths Class. Have a nice day and bye-bye.